In this lecture, we shall learn how to set up our Ubuntu operating system for programming in C language. First of all, we need to install the GCC compiler. Open the Ubuntu's command prompt from the application menu by searching for terminal. Once the terminal is open, type sudo space apt space install space GCC to install GCC compiler in your machine. It prompts you to enter your root account password. Enter your password and then installation begins. You should have an active internet connection for the installation to proceed. Once installation is complete, let us clear our terminal screen by typing the command clear. Now we shall type gcc space --version to check if GCC is installed properly. We see that GCC version 9.4 is installed in our Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. That's all. We are now done with installing the GCC compiler. Now let us install VS Code IDE in Ubuntu operating system. Open your web browser first, in my case Firefox. Search for Visual Studio Code in Google. Open the first link code.visualstudio.com. This is the homepage of VS Code. We see two files for download. .rpm file is for Linux, Red Hat and Fedora version of Linux, and .dev file is for Ubuntu and other Debian-based Linux operating systems. Click on the .dev file to start downloading. Once downloaded, open your download folder. Right-click on the downloaded set of file and click on Open with Software Install. It may take some time to load the installation page. Once loaded, click on the green Install button. It may take some time to install. Installation is done now. Close your window. Now let us open VS Code. For that, click on Show Applications, search for VS Code and open it. That's all. We are now done with installing VS Code on Ubuntu operating system. Congratulations. The process is similar if you have any other flavors of Linux operating system.